Xiamen YIPAI Technology Company Limited specializes in the development and production of cutting-edge consumer electronics. Located in Xiamen, our company proudly operates from a modern industrial facility covering approximately 3,700 square meters. We hold prestigious ISO9001 and ISO14001 certifications, alongside Environmental Protection System certification from SGS and SA8000 certification from SAAS. With our devoted R&D team, we offer comprehensive one-stop services tailored to our esteemed customers. For years, we have steadfastly upheld our core values of putting customers first, delivering considerate service, maintaining business integrity, and maintaining an unwavering commitment to quality. Our unwavering dedication to providing top-tier products and exceptional service to each and every client has garnered widespread acclaim, cementing our status as a trusted partner for international enterprises across various regions and domestic entities in the electronic and automated products manufacturing sectors. Our primary focus remains on strengthening our sales team and innovating products to deliver personalized services that precisely meet our customers' needs. With a steadfast commitment to quality, we aim to cultivate mutually beneficial partnerships with our customers, ensuring mutually beneficial outcomes. We eagerly anticipate forging enduring, mutually enriching partnerships and achieving collective growth with esteemed clients, both domestically and internationally.